Hello and welcome to another XRay.Tech video. Today we're going to be talking about blueprint solutions and bounties. If you've never heard of blueprint solutions or bounties, this video is for you. This is the way that X-Ray works and operates as an organization. So first, blueprint solutions. Blueprints are solutions to common problems. So things like unifying sales data, being able to see key metrics on a dashboard, or client onboarding, or NDAs, or anything that is pretty universal regardless of company size, structure, and even industry. These are things that every business tends to do, and we've solved in a dozen different ways with dozens of different tools. Blueprints are a very fast way to be able to look and see if an automation could be taken off the shelf and added to your company. So you can check out the blueprints page in the description, and these blueprint solutions are really ready to be installed within 4 weeks of your organization deciding. We don't need to reinvent the wheel here. And I think a lot of times in automation, we end up developing really niche and unique solutions, but there's a handful in the blueprint library that I would encourage you to check out and see if it can be useful for you and your team. These are solutions that are pretty universal regardless of company size or structure or even industry, and I think it can be a really fast way of dropping in a quick solution and allowing you and your team to just make more decisions and be more effective. So let's talk about bounties. Bounties are a way for you to name your own price for a custom process that needs to be automated inside of your company. You see, automation is a thing that small companies need, large companies need, and everywhere in between. So instead of having a premium hourly rate, we decided that bounties is a much more appropriate way to cater to the wide range of companies that we work with. You can think of a bounty as a project request for a really specific process inside of your company that might not be as universal as blueprint solutions would be. So instead of doing hourly or project work that is really, it disincentivizes both parties to get the job done and get the job done right, a bounty system allows you to name your price and allow X-Ray to either reject, accept, or counter offer with whatever that bounty is. For you, you're able to name your price for a process that you know is valuable inside of your organization. And in having that level of transparency and opening the dialogue in that way, we're able to actually accommodate and deliver value and meet you halfway with where your company is in your own automation integration journey. So I hope this video has been helpful understanding the difference between blueprint solutions and bounties. We get a lot of different bounty requests, so it is just really great to hear how people value and really talk about their own internal custom processes. And blueprint solutions are a fast way of implementing something that is relatively standard across the board for companies. If you want to actually browse the blueprint solutions or submit a bounty for a process that you're struggling to automate right now, those are in the description down below. As always, links and resources are in the description down below, and don't forget, keep the flow.